How am I gonna get pike out of this? Probably won't work. Hey guys, welcome back to Two Reels Fishing. I'm out here at Medicine Lake. Came after work to do a little bit of fishing with my daughter. But as you guys can see, I brought this little auger instead. How's pike fishing gonna work? We are sitting at 10 inch of ice. 10 inch of ice. I have the Milwaukee for 5+ years. It's been great. But lately, my 9 amp hour battery crapped on me. This is my second one, which one of the LEDs is not working correctly. So I don't know when that's gonna happen, when it's gonna die on me. So I've been looking on the market for an alternative, a second drill to anchor down my hub. And I came upon a drill that is half the price of this Milwaukee, and so are the batteries. So let me go grab that. All right, so what I have here is a Harbor Freight drill. It's a 20-volt brushless drill. It's the Hercules. I have the 12 amp hour battery here, and I have tested this drill on Leech Lake. They have about 16 to 20 inch of ice, and it was flawless. Cut through like butter with the light flight. And I'll explain why I went with this drill, but let me drill a couple holes for you guys. As you guys can see, no problem. The drill handled it as good as the Milwaukee. I went on YouTube to see if there's any videos on this specific drill, but there isn't one. So I decided I'd come out here and do a little video for you guys. This drill is half the price of the Milwaukee drill you guys just saw me drilling holes with. And so is the battery. This battery, I believe, is $139. But to be sure, I will post the price up here, along with the drill and the 12 amp hour battery. I also have a 8 amp hour battery at home, which is, doesn't cost as much as a 5 amp hour battery for a Milwaukee. So far it has holding up for me, and I like it a lot. And this will be the drill for now. My Milwaukee will be handling all the anchors for my hubs. How long will it last compared to the Milwaukee? And that I will provide update. Here's a little background on the drill. Like I said, I was on Leech Lake from 16 to 20 inch of ice wherever you're, depending on the area that you're fishing. Drill about 20 holes, which I know that's not enough holes to determine if it's a good drill. So after that, last week I was on Bud Lake as well, and I drilled over 50+ holes trying to find active school of yellows. And all I can say is I'm impressed. It's worth the money. There's a lot of YouTube videos out there compare the Milwaukee and this Hercules drill as far as doing work around the house and carpentry or construction sites. So if you guys want, you guys can go and look for those videos and see for yourself how it does against the Milwaukee. It's cheap. If it breaks down, I could just go, you know, buy another one and don't have to break the bank for a Milwaukee one. But it works. So you guys take care. This ice season is a weird one. See you guys. Did you get any fish? No? Let me see over here.